Good morning students, welcome to our Alpha Online Education YouTube channel. Today we shall discuss about the syllabus of 2021 academic year, intermediate second year history. In this year we have 12 units are there. These 12 years applied to our Telangana state. Simply says, in this academic year, we study about the history of Telangana from the earlier period to the formation of Telangana state up to in the year of 2014. First one is geography, sources and prehistory. Geography means the science of earth. Here we shall discuss about the geographical features of Telangana state. And the second subtopic in this topic, in this unit, sources. Sources means the primary elements to the history. There are two types of sources to the study of history. One is archaeological sources and the second one is literary sources. And finally in this unit, prehistory. So what is the importance of prehistory to the study of history? And Asmaka Janapada also studied length in this subtopic and also studied the importance of prehistorical sites in our Telangana region. So this is information about first unit. Now second unit, age of Shatavahanas. You know, Shatavahanas are the first rulers of our Telangana region and also most popular in this history of Telangana. So here we shall discuss about the administration of Shatavahanas and also discuss about social, economic, religion, language, literature and art and architecture during the time of Shatavahanas. And also discuss about post-Shatavahana period in the unit of Tala. So here, after decline of Shatavahanas, so many dynasties came to existence of post-Shatavahana, existence of Shatavahana dynasty. So here, after decline of Shatavahanas, first one Ikshvakus came to existence in this region, and after decline of Ikshvakus, Vishnukundinis came to existence in this region, and the decline of Vishnukundinis, Badami Chalukyans and Kalyani Chalukyans, Vemulavaada Chalukyans and Mudigonda Chalukyans ruled this region, and also Vakataka rulers and Cholas. These two rulers also ruled this region. In this unit, we shall discuss a brief political history of these dynasties. And fourth unit, age of Kakatiyas. Kakatiyas are the most popular rulers and most popular kingdom in the history of Telangana. You know, Ganapati Deva and Rani Rudramadevi, these two rulers belongs to this dynasty. So here we shall discuss about in this unit the sources of Kakatiyas and also administration of Kakatiyas, socio-economic, religious conditions of Kakatiyas, and also discuss about language, literature and art and architecture during the time of Kakatiyas. So this is information about in the unit of age of Kakatiyas. And unit 5, Qutb Shahis. So Qutb Shahis are the first Muslim rulers in this region. They ruled from Golconda Fort near Hyderabad city. So in this unit we shall discuss about Qutb Shahi family. Here the history of administration of Qutb Shahis, and also a brief political history of Qutb Shahis, and also discuss about the social, economic, religious conditions during the time of Qutb Shahis, and also finally discuss about how to decline of this dynasty. And Unit 6, Asaf Jais. After the decline of Qutb Shahi rulers, Asaf Jais came to existence in this region. Asaf Jais also known as Nizam kings or Nizam rulers. So here we shall discuss about deeply the family of Asaf Jais, and also one famous personality and Prime Minister of Hyderabad state. He was Salarjung I. So he introduced so many reforms. At the result, the Hyderabad state became very developed. So here also we shall discuss about the reforms of Salarjung II. And 7th unit, social, cultural and political awakening in Telangana. From 1st to 6th unit we shall discuss totally empires or dynasties. From this onwards we shall discuss about social, cultural and political awakening in Telangana region, especially the development of education, the development of press, the development of librarian movements and the establishment of librarians. So this is information to balance social, cultural and political awakening in Telangana region. So we shall briefly discuss about in this unit. And Unit 6, tribal and peasant movements in Telangana. So who are tribals? Those who are living in forest in this mountain regions, they were called tribal peoples. So from the ancient period in our Telangana region, we can find so many tribal sects are here. So here also during the time of Nizam Shahis, most of the tribal and peasant group were raised a revolt against their officials and the ruling of Nizam administration. Especially we shall discuss about in this unit. One is Ramji Gondu and the second one is Komaram Bhim. These two fellows are most popular in tribal sect. They were raised a revolt against the Muslim officials. So these type of tribal and peasant movements are happened in the Telangana region. So we shall discuss about it in this 8th unit. And Unit 9, freedom movement in Hyderabad state. So in this unit we shall discuss about the rising nationalism spirit in Hyderabad state. How to develop, how to raise a nationalism spirit in Hyderabad state, and how to fight against the Nizam rule. So this is freedom movement in Hyderabad state. And also we shall discuss about some incidents are happened in this time. One is in the year of 1938, Vande Mataram movement in Usmania University, and also discuss about Wahhabi movement also happened in this time. So these type of movements are happened in the time. So we shall discuss about in this unit. And Unit 10. So Unit 10 was separate Telangana state movement, first phase or earlier phase. Early phase. So our Telangana formation movement was classification in two types. One is earlier phase and second one is later phase. First phase was 1948 to 1969. Later phase 2001 to 2014. What type of incidents happened in this time? In first phase. And what type of incidents are happened in second phase? So here we shall discuss deeply in these units. One is separate Telangana state movement, first phase and second phase. This is 10 and 11th units. And 12th unit, fairs and festivals of Telangana. This is most and significant character of Telangana culture. So one is fairs and the second one is festivals. Fairs are nothing but jataras. You know jataras? Yes. So many jataras are happening various times, various in this year. So here most popular fairs are, one is Samakka Sarakka Jatara, Samakka Sarakka Jatara, and second one is Nagoba Jatara, Nagoba Jatara, and third one is Gollagattu Jatara, Gollagattu Jatara. This is nothing but known as Pedagattu Jatara. It is located near Suryapeta town. And Kurumurti Jatara. These we shall discuss about these four type of fairs. And second one is festivals. Festivals are also most important character of our Telangana culture. Here we shall discuss about four type of festivals are there. One is Bonalu, and second one is Batukamma. These two festivals are our state festivals, and these two festivals are the special features of the Telangana in the not only in India but also in the world. So Bonalu and Batukamma. And the third one is Mohram. Mohram also a great festival in this region in Telangana state. And also fourth, Tej. Tej also a great festival towards Lambada sect. So this is information about the 2021 academic year, the syllabus of second year history. Okay boys, we shall discuss about tomorrow onwards. We shall discuss about our main topics. Until then, bye.